Hello everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome to week 8 of the 12 weeks of Christmas. Today I'm going to do a really fast video for you showing you how to stamp on candles, and I have my beautiful daughter helping me out, my little assistant. So I'm going to use Night of Navy ink, and you'll see her hands pop in and out of here doing some stamping. We've got a piece of tissue paper. This is just normal everyday white tissue paper. And we are inking up our images and stamping them. And so she actually did the best. She held down her stamp for a little bit and it made it really nice and crisp. And I actually said to her, you don't need to hold it that long. And then look at what I did. I stamped quick and it kind of didn't give as nice of an image. So clearly she knows more than I do. Anyways, so you're going to stamp. And then after you stamp, you're going to just trim around all of your pieces. Now, I will warn you that you need to be careful about getting your fingers in the inked image because it will smear. It will kind of come up on your finger and then go back down on other pieces of the tissue paper. We did experience that. So you just got to be very gentle when you're handling the tissue paper. And as you can see, we're cutting out around the images, but not super close. So it is totally 100% fine to leave a little bit of an edge. Then you're going to lay the images down onto the candle. Now you can do this either way. You can reverse it so that the ink side is down onto the candle, or you can put just the paper side down onto the candle. Then you take wax paper, and on the waxy side is the side you want towards facing the candle, and then you heat it with your heat tool. Now I want to show you while it's still wet, I kind of dabbed a little in some areas to help lay down some of that wax. I used really inexpensive, inexpensive dollar store candles. I'm not sure if my results would be a little bit better with a little higher quality candle. I'm sure they would. But I was making a bunch of these, so I just purchased inexpensive candles. If you wanted to make a display for your home or something like that, then I would encourage you to maybe invest a little bit more in the candle. Maybe buy a couple of really cheap ones to practice on. So you can see it starts to turn like a glossy look. You don't want to hold the heat tool there for too terribly long, or it will just start melting that wax and become a big mess. Now, all in all, it ended up that as I went along and made more of these, I figured out I really didn't need the glue. So the glue was just something, at first I was like, well, I'll probably need a little bit of glue here to hold this in place, but it turned out I really didn't. Excuse me. A better person would re-record this whole video, but I'm not going to. Excuse me, sorry I bless you right in front of you. Anyways, I would recommend using solid stamps like I've used here. You don't really need the glue. Just wrap that twine around and tie a knot. We ended up just adding a little bow on top, but the rest of them I ended up just tying a knot on. Really, really simple gift. Stick this in a little cello bag with a tag on it, and you've got a great gift for anybody, really. Great neighbor gift, or I'm going to use these to give to some of the ladies at our church. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you shop the sale today. Awesome, awesome sale happening. You can shop at shoploveandstampin.com. Click on either one of these to watch other videos. Click on the circle with my face in it to subscribe. And I hope you have an awesome day. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.